Good morning, everyone. So let's continue with our SQL tutorial. So in the previous video, we have talked about the insert and update statement, how it works. So link is in the description, so you can watch if you haven't watched. So let's continue. So today we'll see how the select clause and where clause works. So this is the basically select clause statement. Select start from the employee. So at present, what it does, it is fetching the records from the employee table. Okay. So here this is star or you may say asterisk. It's actually. So it's nothing but asterisk or okay. So what it does, I want as you can see here in employee table, there is three columns: ID, first name, last name. So I want to show all the columns. So show all the columns inside the employee table, then I will use this statement. That is, I will use star, select start from employee. So it is showing all columns. Okay. But what if I want to show only ID and let's say first name. So so as you can see here, select ID, comma first name from employee. So it is only showing ID and first name. These are column names. Okay. So in this way, the select clause works. I want to select ID first name from the employee table. So the basic syntax, it's nothing but the select and then mention the column name 1, comma, column name 2, so on, okay? Or you may use directly star, okay? And then from table name, that's it. You have to mention. So in this way, the select clause actually works, okay? So now let's say talk about the where clause. Now, as you can see here in the employee table, there are four records. Okay. Now I want to show only the record number 3 and 4. That is ID 3 and 4. Or let's say I want to only fetch the employee whose ID is 3. So for this type of scenario, where clause comes. So I want ID first name from employee where ID, okay, equal to 3. So as you can see here, what this SQL query does, it is showing the employee details, ID and first name of that employee whose ID is 3. So basically the where clause, it's nothing but it filters the record based on condition. So So in this way, the select and where clause actually works. So in other words, we can say where clause is nothing but adding condition, or it is based on the given condition. It filters the record, and with the help of select statement, the data is fetched. So in this way, the select and where clause actually works. Okay. So in the next video, we'll discuss about the use of distinct keyword. So till then, thanks for watching.